Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. I'm gonna show you how to download today. I'm gonna show you how to download Metasploit. So I'm gonna download sorry, Metasploit. Let's go the way we know here. Sort. Metasploitable. That's gonna be the version 2. After the countdown. Now it's right here, start download. I let it go, just go faster. Really quick. Okay, we're gonna go to File Explorer. Download. So we have my Explorer here. We can move to download. Just gonna move inside VirtualBox. We got inside VirtualBox. What we're gonna do now? We're gonna go up to the virtual machine. Click in File. So when install it right away. So now it's the process to install it. When I go to File, when it import application, sorry, applying application. So when I go download, also VirtualBox, Metasploit, click, and open, finish. Okay, we see it's already importing the appliance. So now that it's done, we're gonna change. So we're gonna go setting. Let's change the network adapter to bridge. It's a NAP. Let's change it to network adapter. Bridge. Click OK. Click and start. So it's completed. So okay, we can see our IP address. For now, that's so that's the way we install. So stay tuned for our security project. We're gonna use show you how to do penetration, some kind of penetration testing and vulnerability scanning. So stay tuned.